think she met me at the college. Her friends play my songs and they been following me. Yeah, I don't like to do that much explaining and talking. Just know she had coffee with me. Yeah, I hear you like Pete saying.
Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you guys how to use the color yellow as an everyday look. I'm going to use yellow on my eyes and on my cheeks. So let me show you. Moisturize my lips with Buxom's Power Plump Lip Balm in Big O. Looks like this. And I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I'm gonna use the Flush Firm Stick. It is the Firm Stick in Pudding. I'm just gonna melt some onto the back of my hands. Take a brush, very lightly. I don't use too much. Just need a light cover up. And I don't even need concealer when I'm using this foundation because it has good coverage. I'm gonna do my eyebrows and I am using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the color Taupe. I'm gonna brush up my brows first so that I can see where I need to fill it in. And then just fill in the areas that need to be filled in. And then for eyeshadow, we're gonna use my Innisfree custom palette. They have an assortment of colors you can choose from, and I just decided to go in and choose these colors one day. First, I'm gonna use this color. It's a soft brown eyeshadow I'm using as a base, so if you have any soft brown colors, feel free to use that. I'm gonna be using this yellow here. I'm gonna show you guys a swatch of this yellow. It has an orange tint to it, so I would call this a honey yellow. And this is the yellow that I'm going to be using on my eyes and on my cheeks. You'll see as I keep applying, but because I have the soft brown shadow as a base, the yellow doesn't come off looking funky or bold. It actually comes off looking very natural. Always remember to connect the eyeshadow down to the bottom too. I'm using my Kat Von D Tattoo eyeliner in black. I'm dabbing my eyeliner on my lash line and then I'll bring out the wings at the end. I like them smart, no drama. I do find a girl, make her smile, make her happy. Get a ring, make a child start family. Happy raps is going viral to the Grammys. I might need to drop an album for the Grammys, like yeah. There you go, my eyeliner. Curl your lashes tight, especially if you're not going to be using falsies. Once your lashes are curled, go in with your mascara. Here I'm using my Lancome Hypnose Waterproof Mascara. I love this mascara and it has probably been in all of my makeup videos. I knew as soon as I met him, I took my shot, feel like Reddit. And here I am making my dumb face that I hope everyone else makes when they're applying mascara. And I take a small brush. Use that same color. I apply it on the apples of my cheeks, connect that onto my nose, and then I apply some on my forehead and on my chin to kind of bring everything together. But don't go too crazy with the blush. Don't apply it all over the face. Apples of the cheeks, nose, forehead, and chin. Taking a bigger powder brush, I use that same soft brown I used as the base of my eyes, and I'm going to use that as a bronzer. I've mentioned this before, but makeup is so diverse. Don't limit yourself when it comes to makeup. Be creative, practice, and have fun. Taking a smaller brush and the same soft brown, I'm going to contour my nose.
Wake up in the morning, talk to God, what he say? He said blessing, blessing, blessing.
Here I'm using my RMS Quad Luminizer, and I'm using the shade Champagne Rose to highlight the high points of my face.
Wake up in the morning, talk to God, what he say? He said blessing, blessing, blessings coming my way, and I said
Onto my lips, I'm using the Glossier Generation G in the color Jam. I use it as a tint, so I'll apply it on the inside and blend it out with my fingers. On top of the tint, I'm going to use the Glossier Clear Lip Gloss. I zoomed in so you guys could get a closer look of what the color looks like. Once you've applied your lips, you're pretty much done, but I saw that I needed to apply a little bit more blush so you could actually see in the video. And that's it, guys. That is the look. I applied yellow eyeshadow and yellow blush to show you guys that yellow is not a bad color. It's not something that you should be avoiding. It's actually very pretty, so try this at home and let me know what you think about it.
Blessing, blessing, blessings coming my way, and
파스타랑
제가 하고 싶은 집콕데이의 이런 체크리스트를 이렇게 체크리스트를 일어나자마자 만들어 놨습니다. 오늘 한번 제대로 집콕 집순이 데이를 한번 보내봅시다.
맛있어. Thanks for watching till the end. If you liked what you saw, please like this video and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions, and I will see you in my next video.